Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your search engine history from your Google Maps. Now, firstly, you need to make sure that you are logged in to your Google Maps through your Google account. Now, you need to go to your search engine here, and as you can see, there is a list of different locations that you have searched for in your Google Maps. Now, in case you do not want it displayed here, if you do not want others to view it, you can just delete all these locations. Now, to do that, you would need to go to your profile icon that you can see on the top right corner here. Just click on it. And once you do that, you'll see this setting options. So go to your settings. Now in here, you will see options ranging from app language to your navigation settings and chat and etc. So you will just need to scroll through and see this maps history option and just click on it. It'll take some time to arrive at an interface. So once you're here, you can see this auto delete option. Just click on it. Now, once you arrive here, you'll see that my auto delete option has been turned off. Now, if you want to turn it on, just click on it. Then go to the drop down menu and select a time range. Let's say 18 months. Now, once you do that, once you select a time range, what it will do is that all your search history would be deleted automatically after your chosen time range. Now, if you do not want to do that, just select on Don't Auto Delete activity and go back. Now, I am going to show you how to delete your complete list once at a time. Now, once you're back here, you can see this delete option. Just write your search option. So click on that. Now in your delete option, you can see delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. So click on delete all time. Now once you select that, you'll arrive here. And at the bottom, you can see here it says delete. So just click on delete. Once you do that, here it says deletion complete. So all of your activities from your search history would be deleted. So once that is complete, just go back to your home page. And now once we are back at our home page, you need to click on your search engine once again. And as you can see, our recent searches is still being shown here. Now that is because of recommendations through your search engine. Now if you want to remove that, all you need to do is click on your eye icon that you can see at the right corner. Now once you do that, you will see here it says suggestions are based on your web and app activity. Now you'll see this learn more option. Just click on it and then it will open a new interface on whatever browser that you use. In my case, it's Google. Now, once you arrive at this interface, you can see this saving activity option. Just click on that. And then you can see here it says turn off. Now, if you click on turn off, all your recommendations that you get from your browsing activities would completely be removed. You will not get those options again. Now, in case you do not want to do that, you can just go back, or if you do want to do that, you can just click on turn off and your recommendations would just stop. So once you've turned that off, now if you go back to your search engine again, you'll no longer see your recent searches on Google Maps. So this was all for the video, guys. Now if you do have any queries regarding this video, please make sure to put them in the comments box. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.